This is the kitchen, the dining room area. Yes, a great size kitchen to do a lot of cooking. And you follow me, Saint? Zuzi. I knew you was behind me. I knew you were. I knew you were. Yeah. I feel like I overlooked it. And it just took that one conversation. And in 1 week, I moved in here. So I feel like a lot of this was such a spiritual journey for me because I was able to really sit and ground myself, you know, from all my moves. Like this move to me feels so calm. It just feels so therapeutic because all those moves before, like when I was living in New York, when I was living in Los Angeles, I just feel like I was on the go mode. And now that I'm here, it feels different. So I finally put my chair together, as you can see. I felt like I needed to put the chair together in order to actually film. I am finally at my place. Definitely going to hire a TaskRabbit to come in and hang up my room TV and shelf, hang up my pictures, hang up, you know, my other wall shelves in the bathroom. Like as I'm moving in, I'm seeing little things that still need to be, you know, set up. But yeah, I am excited. I'm just super tired. Moving is definitely a tiring process. And I also feel like I'm just not in my flow yet. Like I'm not in my routine yet. Like normally I wake up, I work out, I have my protein shake, I eat my breakfast, and I, you know, do those things. But today I couldn't even edit my film because my Wi-Fi wasn't working. So it's like little things like that. But I know over time it'll work out. You know, I know that, you know, once that's all set up and I'm in my routine, like I'll feel so much better. I just want to be in my routine. Here's Zuzi, guys. You want to say hi to him? This is my stinky butt Zuzi. Say hi, Zuzi. Say hi. I'm really excited to be in this space so that I can start creating and putting a lot of things together, like content, like shooting things, and like where I'm going to set up to do my outfit changes, and where I'm going to, I might even film here. I really like this backdrop. I mean, I'm going to get a picture of something in the back, but I really am feeling this scene, this setup right here. So I may even just continue to film this way when I'm doing this type of content. And then when I'm doing my outfits, maybe this corner right here, because it's really cute. I just got to get my paintings and my pictures set up. But this whole video, I just really wanted to talk about the process of moving in itself, because I really feel like this was all such a spiritual journey for me. It really was. I feel like the process in itself, let me let him outside. I feel like this whole journey has been a process in itself. Like it's been such a spiritual journey. I feel like because I prayed and I meditated for the place that I am in right now, I feel like I was already here. And the thing about this is this condo was in front of my face the entire time. Like I've been looking, and my family, like we have, well, my dad does real estate and he has a bunch of properties, and this was one that I actually walked and came in and looked at, and we had, like, it's a part of our family's portfolio. And I was looking, and then my grandmother was like, why don't you move into the condo around the corner? And I was like, yeah, but I wanted this, I wanted that, I wanted a house, but in reality, I'm not in that space yet. And I feel like when I buy a house, I want to be married with my kids and have, you know, that this space right here for me is perfect for me. And I feel like I overlooked it. And it just took that one conversation. And in 1 week, I moved in here. So I feel like a lot of this was such a spiritual journey for me, because I was able to really sit and ground myself, you know, from all my moves. Like, this move to me feels so calm. It just feels so therapeutic, because all those moves before, like when I was living in New York, when I was living in Los Angeles, I just feel like I was on the go mode. And now that I'm here, it feels different. So I feel like this was such a spiritual journey, because I feel like I have been here. I prayed for this, and now that it's here, it feels like it was supposed to happen, like I was already in this space. And, you know, I feel like by practicing journaling, by practicing meditating, by praying every day, and being very direct and specific on the things that I really want in my life, they happen. And a part of this also really feels like it's change. And change is really, really hard. And it's like I prayed for this and I really wanted it, but it's also exciting and scary at the same time, because I know I'm moving into a new chapter in my life. I know that, you know, I know exactly what I'm supposed to be doing. And that's kind of scary, because I can see the results. And it's not like a scary, like, oh my God, I don't want to do it. It's a scary, like, oh my gosh, this is happening. And I'm grateful for that, but I'm also I'm inspired, I'm excited, I'm grateful, I'm blessed. And I just feel like I'm feeling a lot of different emotions right now, especially with this move. Like I said, it's been just so hard, you know, hustling all the time, living in New York and living in LA. And I really feel like I'm at peace now. And a part of that is like scary, because I've never had that peace in regards to just being, like just sitting still. So I'm really, really grateful for that. I'm so excited to get everything up and together. Like, I feel like I'm not fully settled until, you know, everything is taken care of. Like, my office space is taken care of, my living room, dining room area, my living room area is taken care of. I just am so excited to get that together, but I'm like, I need it to be together. And it's so quiet in here, and so I'm like, let me just film, because the freaking Wi-Fi is not working. I was so looking forward to watching church. I did watch it on my phone, but I was like, I wanted to sit up here. Like, I wanted to watch church right there. You know, like, first Sunday up in here. But I'm so excited. I'm so grateful. I'm so excited. I'm so grateful for this experience, to finally be settled. The things that I actually did to get here, the things that I teach and talk about on here, is just meditating, praying, journaling, taking action steps every day, being consistent, showing up for yourself every single day. Like, that is how this happened. And also just being present and aware of where you are, and being open to receiving. I feel like I'm the type of person that's always giving, and it's hard for me to receive. And this was a time where I literally just received, and that is different in itself, but it feels good. And I'm excited I know I keep saying I'm excited, but I really am. I know I may not seem like it right now, but I'm just really trying to process and take it all in, because this move, this was huge for me. You know, moving into this condo, setting it up the way I always wanted to be set up. And I'm just so grateful. I'm so blessed. And I'm so excited to, you know, take you guys on this journey with me as I build out my YouTube channel, as I build out my coaching program, as I build out, you know, all the doors that open for me, all that God has for me. I feel like I'm about to cry. just so grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm not about to sit here and cry, but man, this has been a long road coming. And I just feel like I'm just trying to process it all, because it's like I can see the results and I can see the future. So weird. I don't know if it's a Scorpio thing or what, but I can literally see everything in this place. Like I can see all that I'm creating. And you know what's so wild? I have a journal, and in the journal, the week before deciding to move, I wrote in there, God, I'm just gonna read it to you. So I have my journal here. I journal in it every day. And the week before I moved in here, I said, right now, God, help me to find the perfect place for me to live and to create, where you can use me. Please lead me to that place, God. I really desire a space, and this is another day. I just wrote it. I wrote it like 3 times. I said, I really desire a space and a place for me and Zusi so that I can just create. Please lead me to that perfect place, God. Mind you, it's a lot more in here, but I literally wrote that 3 days straight, and boom, look where I'm at. Like, I'm telling you guys, everything I'm telling you is real. Like, and this isn't the first time. This is just the first time where I feel like I've taken another step in my life. I'm growing, and it's just another step of change, another step of growth. But this happens constantly in my life, and every time I sit here and I go back and I look and I start crying, because I'm like, I prayed for this. I prayed for this. And so I am so excited for you guys to be on this journey with me. I'm blessed and grateful to have you, and let's grow this channel. Let's grow together. Let's grow your styling business. Let's do this. I'm so excited. Yes, today is Super Bowl Sunday, and oh, my nose is running because I was crying, but I'm gonna get it together. I know I look crazy right now, but I told y'all, even in my femme video, sometimes you just want to be chill. You don't need to be all dressed up all the time. Like, it's totally fine. Like, today I've been moving, I'm exhausted, emotionally processing all of these blessings, and that's what it is, y'all. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay.